Top 5 Best Hoverboard Go-Kart. Number 5. HOVEROne Falcon One Buggy Attachment. This might be the coolest hoverboard go-kart attachment on our list. The HOVEROne Falcon One Buggy attachment is sure to thrill kids and teens with its awesome extra features. Attached to the rear of the go-kart seat are 2 glowing lights and fog blasters to make it look like you're leaving a trail of smoke in your wake. Just fill the blasters with water before turning them on, and they will emit a trail of vapor as you cruise down the driveway. Note that the lights might be challenging to see in sunlight, so if you have a safe place to try this hoverboard go-kart at night, for example, a tennis or basketball court at a park where there are sure to be no cars, it's worth trying it out. Aside from the lights and fog blasters, the HOVEROne Falcon One Buggy attachment is compatible with most hoverboards with either 6.5 or 8-inch wheels. The adjustable frame means that you can adjust the length to suit riders of different sizes, and the contoured seat is comfortable to drive in. 2 hand-operated joysticks on either side offer easy maneuverability whether you want to go forward, backward, left, or right. The go-kart attaches easily to your hoverboard with adjustable Velcro straps. Although the manufacturer includes an extra set of straps in case the first pair gets worn out, some reviewers have noted that they can wear out quickly because of how the straps drag on the ground, so you may need to purchase an additional replacement at some point. The HOVEROne Falcon One Buggy attachment requires complete assembly. Coming in number 4. Hiboy HC02 Hoverboard. If you're looking for a hoverboard go-kart that will be fun for the whole family, take a look at the Hiboy HC02 Hoverboard Go-Kart. This go-kart conversion kit is bigger than the others on our list, with a seat that sits up a little higher, which is great for those aging knees of the young-hearted to climb in and out. The rear suspension system ensures a comfortable ride, and the seat can hold up to 270 pounds max weight. The leg pedals are adjustable and can suit riders from ages 4 to adult, and there are even comfy footrests to keep your feet in place when driving. The enhanced steering system with 2 hand-operated levers allows riders to easily move forward, backward, left, and right. The Hiboy HC02 hoverboard go-kart attaches to most standard hoverboards with 2 adjustable Velcro straps and can accommodate hoverboards with wheels that measure either 6.5, 8, or 10 inches. The manufacturer notes a couple of specific models of hoverboard that will not work with this particular conversion kit: the Swagtron T6, the Mega Wheel TW01S1, and the HOVEROne Beast 10-inch wheel models. These models all include a handle in the middle, meaning they will not be compatible unless the handle is removed. The Hiboy HC02 hoverboard go-kart attachment is available in 2 colors, black and purple, to suit a variety of tastes. Coming in number 3. HOVEROne Ultra Electric Self. Don't have a hoverboard yet, but looking to buy one along with your new hoverboard accessories? Check out this combination hoverboard and attachment package, the HOVEROne Ultra Electric Self-Balancing Hoverboard, and the Go-Kart Combo. It includes the Ultra Electric Hoverboard and converting the seat into a go-kart. Although sold together, the go-kart attachment can be used with other hoverboard models, so long as they have the same size wheels. If you already have another hoverboard at home and plan to share the conversion kit with both boards, make sure they are the correct size. The self-balancing hoverboard in this package includes step-on mat sensors, LED headlights, and a 400-watt motor that will allow you to climb inclines of up to 15 degrees. It travels at a maximum speed of 7 miles per hour. The included go-kart attachment comes with adjustable elastic straps for easy setup and has an adjustable frame so riders of different sizes can enjoy the fun. The go-kart has a molded plastic seat and 2 hand-operated controls that allow you to maneuver your hoverboard go-kart forwards, backward, left, and right. The HOVEROne Ultra Electric Self-Balancing Hoverboard and Go-Kart package combination offers excellent value for those who don't already own a hoverboard and want to give it a try. Coming in number 2. HOVIECARD Go-Kart Conversion Kit. The HOVIECARD Go-Kart Conversion Kit is a sturdy, rugged option with an aluminum frame for families looking for a new way to enjoy their hoverboard. The plastic seat is molded for comfort, and the 2 handles are covered in padded material that makes them easy to grip. It's so easy to attach the hoverboard seat attachment. This conversion kit arrives fully assembled, so all you need to do is fasten it to your hoverboard with the included Velcro straps and bolt in the seat. The HOVIECARD even comes with extra straps and screws, so if the first set becomes degraded through regular wear and tear, you've already got a backup set ready to go. This hoverboard cart is ready to enjoy out of the box in under 2 minutes, making it a perfect gift for birthdays or Christmas. Capable of holding up to 200 pounds, the HOVIECARD can be enjoyed by children, teens, and adults alike. The leg bar is also adjustable, making this hoverboard seat attachment comfortable for riders of various heights. The HOVIECARD is so easy to steer. To make it go forward, just push both the padded foam handles down and pull both handles up to go backward. To turn left, push the right handle down, the left up, and vice versa when you want to turn right. Coming in number 1. One Buggy Attachment. The One Buggy attachment is a hoverboard go-kart attachment with a lot to offer young and old riders. It's compatible with most hoverboards with either 6.5 or 8-inch wheels, as long as they do not have a handle attachment in the middle. This conversion kit is so easy to attach to your hoverboard. Simply take the adjustable straps with rubber protectors and velcro the buggy to your hoverboard, and away you go. This attachment has a hand-operated joystick on either side, allowing riders to maneuver forwards and backward, or left and right, with the independent rear-wheel drive. The frame length is adjustable to accommodate riders of various heights. It comes available in 2 colors, a blue or pink aluminum frame with a black contoured seat for comfort. This hoverboard go-kart attachment comes unassembled, so be aware if you plan to give this as a gift. The One Buggy attachment comes with all the necessary parts for assembly, including screws, wrenches, nuts, washers, and other spare parts required, as well as step-by-step guides for assembly. Overall, this is a great hoverboard accessory that will bring your kids hours of enjoyment.